Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today we're heading out to one of my job sites where we just finished some LIFEPROOF flooring, and we're going to do a walkthrough with the client. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
How long did you wait for this floor? Remember? It seemed like it was a long wait.
At first he said that it was going to be in a week. Then they sent us like it was going to be 2 weeks.
I know, I was telling the guys, we were scheduled like a week or two ago, and then I had to like cancel. I was like, the floor didn't come.
Yes.
I couldn't believe that. Normally Home Depot is okay about deliveries, but
the thing is, it was like, oh my God, we just want the floor.
That's wild. I mean,
Yes.
explain to her about
Yes.
leaving it on there for a couple days. And then also, same thing with this molding back here. You leave this one on for a couple days. Be careful not to step on it though.
Okay.
So I hope the tape will be more of a reminder to step over it
Exactly.
than to step on it.
Yes, you do.
Do you like how that came out under there?
Yes,
I think that looks really good, how we
Yes.
did the toe kicks with the flooring.
Yes, definitely.
That made it, remember there was a big hole there before.
Yes, that's true.
The floor, it needs protection on the furniture. Did they explain to you about that? You want to put the peel and stick, the felt, on all the feet,
yes, okay.
and that way, just to safeguard your investment and to protect it, you know, we recommend putting felt on everything, especially these kind of chairs.
Yeah.
Because these chairs here will do more damage than anything. The problem with these chairs like this is the fact that you have, so what I recommend doing is popping that off with a screwdriver, just pop it right off, and then stick the felt directly to the wood.
Okay.
If you put the felt on this piece here, if you put it here, it'll come off. If you put it on the wood, it'll stay longer.
Okay,
yeah.
Perfect.
And that way it'll protect it, you know, from every time you slide it, and you know, chances are it's not going to do it on the first time or the second time, but if you do it every day, every day adds up.
Yeah.
But besides that, I mean, it's a very easy floor to keep clean. It's definitely one of my favorite floors, LIFEPROOF.
I really love it.
I love the design. This is not gonna, it's gonna be very easy to keep clean. It's not gonna show a lot of wear. The darker and lighter color mixture is really good for maintenance and stuff like that.
And the same color of this color, so it's good too.
You matched the dog, didn't you? This is nice without the molding in the doorway. But we put the cork here, so it's all one height now. Now, I know that we discussed the leak that you had, so be really careful. And that's why it's also important to, you know, make sure that when you caulk all the sides and everything, and even the bottoms, if maybe around this area, so if it does leak, maybe it won't come into here, you know? So I would suggest caulking underneath here in this room as well, just in case. It looks really good. And how's the dog like it?
No, he loves it.
He likes it. That's the most important thing. All right. Well, thank you. We appreciate the business. And
thank you.
yeah, if you ever need anything, you get a year guarantee. So if we miss anything, just always give me a call.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
All right. Yeah. Good luck with your baby. All right. Wow, we're all done. The customer is thrilled, and that's what matters the most. If you really want to help support our channel, we're trying to grow, and liking, sharing, and of course you already haven't subscribing helps us more than anything. But if you really, really want to help us, check out the PayPal link below. We're trying to get some more camera and audio equipment to really increase the quality of these videos. But if you're new around here, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite, product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.